Well, welcome into Bon Appetit, to your health and on the go, because Herb Fair 2022 is right around the corner. Saturday, April the 23rd, Montgomery, Alabama, at the corner of the Atlanta Highway and Bell Road. Not Bell Street, Bell Road. So make sure you go into the right area. And it's Grace Episcopal Church on the grounds there. We have with us today from the Alabama Herb Society, Jean Szabo, and you are currently the chairman of the festivities and the president.
Yes, I am.
Carolyn Gomillion, how many times have you done one of these?
I've lost count.
And she is a wonderful herbalist, and we're so happy to have both of you guys today. So, Jean, let us know what's going to happen on that day from 9 in the morning till 3 in the afternoon.
Okay, first of all, we're going to be there at 8 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon.
If you sleep in, you're going to miss a whole hour.
Yeah, don't sleep late. We've got many different vendors this year. We've got a good variety. We've got plant vendors. We have woodworking vendors. We have craft vendors. We have food vendors. We have just a huge array. We've got over 30-something vendors this year. And this is our largest year we've ever had.
And we've been in this golden anniversary, isn't it?
This is our 25th anniversary, silver
anniversary.
And the vendors are going to be there bright and early, ready to sell for you.
Good.
So y'all come out. It's just a wonderful day. Family, welcome. It's a fun day. And it goes from like 8 till 3 in the afternoon now.
I know you'll have herbal teas there. Will you have herbal coffee? Or can people get a cup of coffee there if they want to start the day?
I don't know. The church usually is going to provide some things like that.
Okay.
I think they're going to be doing hot dogs this year.
Good.
And all the trimmings that would go with that.
That's
so
great.
We're going to have a kettle corn.
Kettle corn.
Yep.
And maybe some other little trinkets and goodies all around the area. So we've got a big variety, bigger than before, than we've ever had.
When we go to your website, there's going to be a list of the activities for the day. Make sure you do that because there's going to be some. What I love about this, you can go in and sit down for about 45 minutes and get a wonderful lesson.
Yes.
And that's exactly what you do.
Yes, that's it. And we'll have it on the website, all the things that are going to be happening during that day, and also on our Facebook page. And our website is alabamaherbsociety.org, and our Facebook is Alabama Herb Society.
Very simple.
We're going to have a special,
on the screen.
We're going to have some live music this year. And in the past, since the pandemic is on its way down and on the back burner, we're going to have the live inner music this year. And we have a speaker.
Hey, you've been using herbs all along. The pandemic would never have gotten you. I can say that. Amen. Because I'm a great believer. The dear Lord made these herbs to take care of us.
That's correct.
Absolutely.
Correct.
All right, Carolyn. I'm smelling this rosemary here. Did that rosemary wind up in that?
It did.
Great.
Some of it did.
Well, and the herb of the year is the violet.
Yes. I've been with the Herb Society a long time now. It's a fun organization. We are doing good things now at the Crump Center. We have fun when we go out there and work. And
because you have monthly meetings, don't you?
Monthly meetings.
And anybody can attend those meetings.
Open to the public.
Open to the public.
And they're advertised.
And that would also be on the website at that time too.
They would be.
So, what did you make here?
Okay, this is rosemary shortbread. Rosemary does seem to be one of our favorite herbs. So rosemary shortbread it's in the cookbook for those that happen to have gotten the cookbook before. But we will make available a recipe for you. And
so besides, will there be prepared things like this on sale that day too? Some things made with herbs, like a bakery area. No,
not this year.
Okay.
Not this year.
Okay.
You know,
Maybe next year.
We have to eat hot dogs.
We're going to eat hot dogs
We're going to eat
this
hot
year.
dogs.
Yes.
Okay.
COVID has caused us to step back in a lot of ways.
Absolutely.
But we are excited that we seem to be moving back into getting to do things, and we'll have more speakers maybe next year, and more musicians. So we're growing.
Well,
we really have grown.
What I like about where you're at right now, and don't get me wrong, I like old Alabama town. Where we're at right now, when you look out, you see everything in one fell swoop.
Yeah. It's convenient, and it's convenient
Absolutely.
with parking area too.
Great.
And it's easy to get into and out.
And shade of those pecan trees.
Great. Ladies, thank you so much.
Thank you
Remember,
for
it's
having
just
us.
right around the corner. April the 23rd. Starts at 8 o'clock in the morning till 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Bring the grandchildren. It'll be a fun day. Good time to buy Mother's Day gifts. We'll be right back right after this.